Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a map with the Dreame L50 Ultra. If you're interested in the L50, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we're going to go into our device. And from here, with it being initially set up, you'll have the Start Fast Mapping button. So from here, you want to make sure that you have your robot vacuum exactly where you want it in your house. You're going to open up all the doors to the rooms that you want mapped. You can tidy up some stuff on the floor. Just get everything prim and proper. Put it where you want it to be, and then you're going to select that Start Fast Mapping button. So our vacuum's exactly where we want it to be. Now we're going to select Start Fast Mapping. It walks you through a little quick mapping guide here, so follow the best practices. Select OK. And now it's going to go out from the station and create your map. Alright, so it's returning to the station right now after finishing mapping. It took 5 minutes to basically map a kitchen, a family room, a hallway with an entryway, a bathroom, and a bedroom, and then another partial bedroom that we accidentally left the door open. We didn't want that one mapped, but no big deal. So take a look at the map populated right here. It brings up this option too. We can proceed to adjust or hit OK. In our case, I know everything's exactly how it should be. We can also confirm thresholds, passable and impassable. You can make those adjustments. Looking at how it identified everything, I don't see any passable or impassable thresholds on our map, but we can add those. But simple and straightforward to create your initial map with the Dreame app and your L50 Ultra.